Welcome back to Cranky Bike Guy. Today we're going to install the headset. So we got to press the head on, and then we're going to go ahead and set the forks. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is clean all this up. I've already pretty much cleaned the bearings out. However, these are still a little bit dirty and I just need to clean them up a bit. Okay, so everything is clean. Looks pretty good. No complaints, reusable. So let's put it back together. Okay, so here's my homemade press. Got this idea off of RJ the bike guy. So good job, dude. This thing works like a champ. So now we just want to make sure they get straight. So the bolts I chose were 3/4 inch. So I'll just take 2 open end wrenches here and start pushing it, resetting it back down on. You can see how that works. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna put the bottom in first. So what I like to do first thing though is apply some grease in here and along the edge of these. So the object here is to make sure we get these as straight as possible. So sometimes you need to hit it with a rubber mallet to get it to line up correctly. So I got a good rubber mallet here to do that with. So I just realized that my Teflon was not where it was supposed to be. That's why it kept sliding out. So now when you see it, it'll keep it in the general spot. And there you have it. Okay, so now the headset's back on, we can go ahead and mount the fork. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set up the bottom half. I want to put the dust cover back on, which sets down just like that. Oops. Get some of my favorite grease here. Alright, so now I want to go ahead and get this all taken care of. Put this in, but I have to get a little bit of lube in here as well. Okay, that's pre-lubed. I put a lot of lube in there. So I'll go ahead and covers on. As far as this, there we go. And there's this piece here that's down in between there, and then the dust cap. So this particular setup requires a number 5 hex. And it's just going to torque it right on down onto it. And there you have it. Headset's installed along with the fork, and we're good. Okay, I hope you liked this video today. Got it all set up. It's ready to go on the front end. So in our next video, we're going to replace the old bottom bracket with this new bottom bracket. Still saying, gotta have some fun on the downhill, right? Oh shit!